Why your shaving cream won't come out and 5 things you should do. When shaving, shaving creams serve as both a moisturizer and a lubricator. If you've been using shaving cream cans, I'm sure you have encountered a time when the cream wouldn't come out of the can. This can be very frustrating because you know there is more than enough shaving cream in the can to have more shaves, but nothing is coming out. All you hear is the recurrent sound of air gushing out, or a fizzle sound of propellant. What then is the problem? Why isn't any shaving cream coming out? If you are having issues with your shaving cream not coming out, the nozzle is possibly clogged, and the good news is there are ways you can unclog it. You can unclog it by clearing the obstruction manually or by keeping the can upside down. If that doesn't work, there are still other ways to unclog it, and that is what I will be showing you in this post. I will be giving you details on how the shaving cream container works, how to unclog shaving cream cans, and some recommendations on the best shaving creams. Do I really need a shaving cream? Well, it depends. There is definitely a good reason why shaving creams have been in existence since at least 3000 BC. Almost every man uses it at some point, though using it correctly requires practice. Moreover, we can't overlook the protection it provides between the skin and blade. This ensures less friction, irritation, razor burn, and redness. Shaving creams usually come in a tub, tube, or spray can. They are applied as a gel, foam, or lather to the face for a few minutes to relax your facial hair before being shaved off. Shaving creams are not hazardous to you. They are made with ingredients that are gentle on the skin. They are made mostly with water, oils, alcohol, and soaps. There are hundreds, if not thousands of companies producing shaving creams with the same benefits. The major difference between these companies is the volume of the ingredients they use and a slight variation in their ingredients. Also, there isn't much difference between shaving creams in tubes and aerosol cans, it's just a can and propellant. How shaving cream containers are built and how they work. Find out here. Shaving cream is liquefied at room temperature, poured inside a can and sealed after being manufactured. After the can is sealed, the propellant is pumped with a little force and under high pressure. If the pressure is sustained in the can, the cream remains liquid since there wouldn't be space to spread out and turn into gas. Have you ever bought shaving cream and realized that there's an instant reduction in the pressure on the liquid propellant after opening the valve? It starts to boil with a little amount of pressure. After the particles escape, it then creates a gas layer under the nozzle. This gas layer then forces some of the liquid propellant and liquid product up to the nozzle. Some shaving cream cans come with a ball bearing inside. If you shake the can properly, the ball's movement inside will muddle the propellant and the shaving cream, thereby resulting in the cream being ejected with a smooth foamy consistency. The factors below will determine how stable the nozzle of your shaving cream can is. Ingredients of the shaving cream. Propellant. Ration of the cream to the propellant. Power of the force on the propellant. Size and shape of the nozzle valve system. Why isn't your shaving cream coming out? If you've had issues with your shaving cream not coming out of the can, a common reason is that the nozzle of the shaving cream can isn't properly cleaned after every use. Leaving it sit without cleaning will make many materials accumulate, therefore clogging the nozzles and rendering it useless. Another reason your shaving cream isn't coming out of your can could be a microscopic defect in the bottom of the can. This allows the trapped air to leak out of the can. A statement from Gillette, a renowned brand for safety razors and personal care products, supports this reason by stating that they studied the issue, since it has been reported by men from all over the country, and they say they are working on a solution. They revealed that a crack that's as small as a hairline can allow air to leak out, preventing the contents of the can from coming out as it should. In the case of a defect, there isn't anything much you can do to bring out the contents. Most companies offer a replacement or a refund if this happens to you. You can take advantage of it if you need to. However, if the reason for your issue is a clogged nozzle, you can fix that yourself, and I will show you how. Here is what you should do if your shaving cream isn't coming out. I know how frustrating it can be when you know you have shaving cream in the can but can't seem to get it out. The product costs some bucks and throwing it away and replacing it will definitely hurt the budget a little. Not to worry, we at Beard Guidance are here to help a bro save some bucks. Having issues with a clogged nozzle? Do the following. Keep the can's nozzle clean. It is important you clean out the nozzle of the can after every single shave. Doing this is simple. You just need to spin the can upside down and apply force to the sprayer until you see the clear gas get expelled. Doing this ensures that the nozzle's trapped creams are gotten rid of, allowing only new shaving cream to be let out in the next use. Use warm water. After every use, it is important to clean the can's nozzle and eliminate the excess built-up lather with warm water. This is a moderately easy way of cleaning your nozzle if it's clogged, but if it doesn't work, you can take more vigorous manual measures. Start by wetting a clean rag with warm water and wipe off the nozzle's opening with the rag. I've also seen people scoop out the emitted lather with something sharp, mostly needles. It actually works, and though it can be helpful if done cautiously, this may not be the best option. It isn't universally recommended because a sharp object may destroy the valve, bringing the whole process to a halt. Use solvent. If using warm water and a light scrub with a rag didn't get rid of the lather residue, you can use a solvent to clean the nozzle. Start by taking the nozzle off the can. Then dip a Q-tip or the corner of a rag in a tiny bit of solvent and use it to wipe the nozzle. Note, most solvents are harsh, so careful. It's best to use a protective glove when handling it. Use an aerosol lubricant. You can apply an aerosol lubricant to the blocked nozzle to unblock it. Push the nozzle down to force the aerosol lubricant through. Repeat the process until the clogged nozzle is clear. If you still have a clogged nozzle after this process, remove the nozzle from the aerosol can and spread the lubricant right on the interior and exterior opening of the nozzle. Place the nozzle back on the can and try propelling the lubricant through it again. Preventing future clogs. Before storing your shaving cream, make it a habit to clear the nozzle of any excess cream immediately after use. Like I mentioned earlier, you may insert a needle after rinsing the nozzle to remove any little bits of shaving cream and prevent clogging. Again, be careful when using a needle so you don't interfere with the valve. How to find shaving creams without stress. As you know, there are hundreds or even thousands of shaving creams out there to choose from, making it difficult to settle on a brand, especially when your local store's shelf is crowded with big brands. Many people prefer to avoid being confused with so many options on the shelf, so they buy online. Well, I'm like many people. I would rather order online than visit a store to get a can of shaving cream. Amazon has saved me a lot of time, money, and frustration by offering a brilliant selection of shaving creams, including the top-rated Gillette Foamy Shaving Cream. It is well formulated with aloe vera, which helps by protecting the skin against shaving irritation. It is a 3-in-1 fast-action shaving cream that hydrates, protects and soothes the skin. If you have sensitive skin, this is a good choice for you. It is lightly fragranced, and the chemical composition isn't hazardous. You get to order and receive your package within a few days. Cool, right? That convenience and the confidence that I am getting a quality shaving cream product is why I am stuck on this method of shopping. Conclusion. I want you to see shaving as both a science and an art. Most people believe all that matters when shaving is the blade, but the truth is, the blade is only one of the very important tools you use to maintain your facial hair. A good shaving cream, used properly, plays a key role in the process of shaving. It's true that different blades work better for different types of skin. Using a good shaving cream and following the right shaving procedure will always give you a better shave. Finally, I hope this post has provided you with all the things you need to know about your shaving cream cans and why the cream isn't coming out. I also hope I've been able to save a bro some bucks. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.